Hello guys, I'm Divilia Melody, so I'm going to present drawing to scale with Imperial. So we have two steps for drawing to scale with Imperial. Step 1, convert measurement from inches to feet. Step 2, scale your measurement to the size of your drawing, then multiply by the scale. Step number 3, draw blank inches by blank inches and draw a box around your answer. For step 4, draw your item with a ruler and label with original measurements. Step 5, indicate your scale below or near your drawing. So our given measurement is 17 feet 6 inches by 11 feet 5 inches. And our scale is 1.5 inch is equal to 1 foot. So again, for our step 1, convert measurement from inches to feet. So in our given measurement, it's already feet, so we no need to convert it. So 17 feet multiply to our scale, which 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch is also equivalent to 0.50. 17 feet times 1.5 is equals to 8.5 or 8 and 1/2. Step 2, calculate the inches. So we have here 6 inches over 12 inches. In 1 foot, there is 12 inches. So we can still simplify this 6 over 12 using 6. So 6 divided by 6 equals 1 and 12 divided 6 is equal to 2. So we have here 1/2. Then we will multiply to our scale which is 1.5 inch. And we have a result of 1/4, which is from 1 times 1 equals 1, 2 times 2 equals 4. Then step 3, add the products from step 1 and 2 together. So our product in step 1 is 8.5 plus our product from step 2 is 1/4. So as you can see, we have different denominator here. So what we're going to do is we have to get the LCD. So our LCD here is 4. After that, we have the results of 8 and 2/4 plus 1/4. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then we just copy the denominator, which is 4. Then the whole number, which is 8. So we have here 8 and 3/4. So for this part, we will just do the same thing. So step 1, calculate the feet. So we have here in a given measurement 11 feet times our scale 1/2 inch is equal to 1.5 or 5.5. So step 2, calculate your inches. 5 inches over 12 inches. We can't simplify this, so we will multiply it to our scale, which is 1/2. So 5 times 1 and 12 times 2 is equal to 5 over 24. Step 3, add the products from step 1 and 2 together. So step 1 product, 5 and 1/2 plus our step 2 product, which is 5 over 24. So same thing, the denominator is different, so we have to get the LCD of both numbers. So LCD is 24. So 5 and 12 over 24 plus 5 over 24 is equal to 5 and 17 over 24. How can we get this one? So 12 plus 5 equals 17. Then we'll just copy the 24 plus the whole number. We have here 5 and 17 over 24. Can we draw this one into our ruler? We can't draw 17 over 24 in the ruler. So we will use finding x. So 17 over 24 is equal to x over 16. So we will just do the cross multiplication. So 24x is equal to 17 times 16. So x is equal to 272 over 24. Now we have here x is 11.33. So we just round off. So our whole number is 11. So now our final measurement for 11 feet and 11 feet 5 inches is 5 and 11 over 16. Now we can draw this one using our ruler. So let's go back to our steps. Write, draw blank inches by blank inches and draw a box around your answer. So here we go. So draw. Then this is our new our converted measurement, which is 8 and 3/4 inches by 5 and 11 over 16 inches. Let's go to the next step. Draw your item with a ruler and label with original measurements. So let me show you using our ruler. So for our first measurement, converted measurement, which is 8 and 3/4. So I have here, I measure it, I use the ruler and measure it until 8. Then after that, I'll just locate the 3/4. So 3/4 is around here. So as you can see here, this is 1 inch from 0 to 1. So we have here 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, then 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and 1 inch. So 3/4 is around here. So for our next converted measurement, which is 5 and 11 over 16, so from 1 inch to 5, so I have here 5 inches. Then I will locate 11 over 16. So here we have the measurement here, 1 over 16, then 1/8, 3 over 16, 1/4, 5 over 16, 3/8, 7 over 16, 1/2, 9 over 16, then 5/8, that 11 over 16. So we have here we locate the 11 over 16. Let's go back to our step. So indicate your scale below, near your drawing. So here's our final measurement. I drew here the original measurement. I draw here the measurement and put the original measurement, which is 17 feet 6 inches, 11 feet 5 inches, and our scale 1.5 inches equal to 1 foot. And this is our converted measurement, which is 8 and 3/4 inches by 5 and 11 over 16 inches. Thank you guys for watching.